Have you been feeling low on energy, unmotivated, or like you're stuck in a fog? Instead of forcing yourself into action and trying practices that can fizzle out pretty quickly, I want to share 3 daily rituals that uplift your mood naturally while keeping your nervous system safe, steady, and supported. So there are no adrenaline spikes or burnout after the fact. When I say nervous system safe, I mean practices that don't shock your system or push you into overdrive. Because if you've been feeling emotionally dysregulated or in a depressive slump, your nervous system is already working hard, attempting to maintain balance for you. So the last thing your nervous system needs is a jolt of energy. These 3 rituals will boost your connection chemistry by intentionally releasing oxytocin so you feel less isolated within yourself. They'll ground you on a sensory and emotional level with herbal nourishment, and they'll activate your body's mood reset systems with breath and tapping without exhausting your energy reserves. And stay with me until the end, where I'll guide you through an integrative practice that combines all of these aspects so you can start feeling a shift right away. Let's start with oxytocin, which is often called the connection hormone. It helps regulate mood, reduce cortisol, and improve resilience. When you're low, your body often retreats into isolation mode. Oxytocin is one way to signal to your system that you're safe and that you're not alone. And in Chinese medicine, this connection and warmth help balance the heart and spleen systems and restore emotional vitality. So here's a simple practice that you can do at any time. You can wrap your arms around yourself into a hug and breathe in for a count of 4. Gently exhale for a count of 6. And continue doing this, holding for at least 20 to 30 seconds, and just feeling the warmth and the support of your own arms. If it feels comforting, you can rub your arms, or you can simply place a hand on your heart. This alone can release oxytocin. You could also cuddle a pet, cuddle a person, warm, loving eye contact can release oxytocin, even over a video call. Second, we have nourishing with herbal teas and essential oils. Herbal teas are one of my favorite rituals to naturally and gently uplift mood because they work both on the body, mind, and emotions. So a few of the many choices can be lemon balm, calms the nervous system and eases anxiety and overthinking. In Chinese medicine, lemon balm helps to move stagnant energy and simultaneously calms the mind. You can use rose, which uplifts and opens the heart and softens emotional heaviness. Rose nourishes both the heart and liver qi in Chinese medicine. Tulsi helps balance stress and supports steady energy. So it harmonizes and replenishes qi without overstimulating your system. The preparation and consumption of the tea is just as important as the tea itself. So you can smell the herbs before you brew the tea. You can feel the warmth of the cup in your hands. You can let the steam come up into your face. And take 2 or 3 slow sips to really feel and enjoy the taste of the tea. This mindful attention engages your senses. It helps regulate your vagus nerve, and it tells your body that because you're slowing down, you're safe. And if you don't feel like brewing tea, you can use essential oils like lavender or bergamot, and using the same intention as you do with the tea to mindfully and slowly breathe in their scent for both a grounding and uplifting effect. And third, we have resetting with breath and tapping. When you're in a slump, your breath can become shallow, which can worsen a low mood and fatigue. A simple way to gently lift your energy and your mood is to lengthen your exhale. So let's try this together right now, just taking 1 minute. Go ahead, breathe in for a count of 4. Exhale for a count of 6. Go ahead, continue with this breathing pattern. Let your eyes close if it's comfortable for you. And as you're breathing in, let your breath be soft and gentle. And the same with your exhale. So you aren't forcing your breath. And as your breath gently lengthens into this exhale, feel how you can soften through the rest of your body. Typically through the shoulders, the jaw, maybe your forehead, your tongue, your throat, your chest, your belly, your hips. Just a couple more times. If you feel a sigh wanting to come out, you can let that release. Now, breathing in this way slows down your heart rate, it activates your parasympathetic nervous system, and it helps you feel calmer without feeling lethargic. I have some breathwork practices like this. I'll share in the description if you want to explore this further. You can also tap acupressure points while speaking kindly to yourself to move stagnant energy and to shift your mental and emotional state. Let's do one quick round. So tapping underneath your collarbones and repeat after me. It's safe to feel how I feel. I can meet myself with compassion. Let your hands rest. If you're in public, you can stick with the breathing practice, lengthening your exhales at any time, or you can tap the outside of your hands in your pockets or with your hands down. And using your language to reframe how you think about yourself, how you talk to yourself, your perspective on how you're engaging with the outside world. Now let's bring all 3 of these practices together so you can feel the shift in real time. So wrap your arms around yourself. Feel the warmth of your arms, the support of your arms, and breathe in for a count of 4. Exhale for a count of 6. Go ahead, continue breathing in this pattern. You can never do this too much. And maybe feeling the difference of this breathing pattern when you have your arms wrapped around you and when you don't. If one feels more supportive. Now you can keep your arms this way. You can keep your hand on your chest. You can let your arms rest down, whatever you prefer. And you can keep your exhales longer than your inhales if that's comfortable for you. And keeping your eyes closed, begin to imagine the scent of your favorite herbal tea, the taste of your favorite herbal tea. And if you have tea nearby, you can take a mindful sip of it. You can tap the outside of your hand. You can tap on your collarbone point, repeating after me, I am here. I am safe. My body can soften right now. Let your arms rest down, and that's it. You can take 1 minute, 3 minutes. It doesn't have to take long to create a reset for yourself. And this signals to your entire system that connection and safety are available to you right now. Now, these rituals may seem super simple, but when they're practiced daily, they help to retrain your nervous system so it can choose steadiness over stress, connection over isolation, and a gentle uplift over force. If you'd like more gentle, holistic habits to support your nervous system, your mood, your emotional resilience, I have a free Holistic Habits ebook with a glossary of over 50 guided practices that you can choose from, along with a guide in how to really sustainably develop new habits into your daily life. I'll share that link in the description. And let me know in the comments which of these rituals resonates with you most and which one you're feeling most called to bring into your life this week. I'd love to hear from you, and subscribe if you're feeling me so you continue to receive the new practices that I'm sharing every week here. Thanks so much for being with me. I hope these rituals enrich your daily life and your nervous system and your mood. I'll see you in the next video.